How would you like to get some extra PayPal money? Well, I'm going to share with you today some techniques to get you PayPal money over and over again and again. Stay with me throughout this video. Stay with me through the entire video so you can learn several different techniques. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make some extra PayPal money again and again, over and over. Alright, so I'm going to share with you 3 sites, 3 techniques you can use to make that extra PayPal money, and it can be done in as little as getting started today. Alright, but before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. Guys, if you are interested in a passive income, click the link down below. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income, that is what I use to make the most money online. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. Now let's get on with the video on how to make some extra PayPal money. Alright guys, so the site I'm talking about today is Test.io. I'm going to talk about a couple different sites, but this is the best one that I've found so far about testing applications. Alright, you're testing software and you get paid pretty generously by doing so. All right, there's companies like Revolve, SoundCloud, 1-800-Contacts, Lacoste, Edmunds. These guys are all using this company to test their software. They're testing their websites, testing their apps, etc., etc. I mean, they're even testing apps on the smart TV. Okay, so there's a number of ways to get testing gigs. You just sign up and then you wait for the emails to come. The more testing gigs you take, the more you'll get in the future. All right, so this is a pretty cool company. It's been around for a while. As you can see, it's been on Forbes. It's 2018 100 SD Times software development. Stevie Bronze winner for American Business Awards. So they won some awards. It's a pretty legit company, okay? Now, if you want to become a tester, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you click this link and it's going to bring you over here to become a tester, okay? Now let's look at some of this stuff. Become a tester, test latest apps, websites, and games, and get paid for every issue you find. All right, so you get paid for finding issues, right? So my last video I put out, you got paid by testing apps. All right, this one you actually get paid for testing software, apps, websites, all kinds of stuff. And it can be done from the convenience of your home, all right? You make your own hours, you do what you want, and you get paid for the amount of time you work, all right? So let's check this out. Earn good money. Earn up to $50 every issue you find. That's pretty legit. Can't find any bugs? No problem. You can also get paid for rating apps. All right, so even if you can't find a bug, you can get paid for rating these apps. You work from your home, easily work from your home or from your favorite place. You can work from your coffee shop, all right? Work the hours that make sense to you. You test the latest apps, be the first to see the latest apps from top companies and cool startups. All right, so one thing you do when you sign up for these companies, you sign an agreement that you don't talk about some apps that come out, because sometimes you test apps that aren't quite out yet. So you got to somewhat sign an NDA saying you won't talk about that app once you tested it. All right. So it's very easy to register. You can get started within as little as 5 minutes, guys. All right. You can sign up in this site and actually be ready to go in 5 minutes. What they'll do is you sign up and they're going to send you an email. All right. They're going to send you an email and then you're going to verify that it's you. And then they'll start sending you gigs. All right. It's not going to happen instantly, but you can get signed up to start testing today in as little as 5 minutes. All right. So just don't waste no time doing this. If you're really serious about testing applications, get started now so you can start waiting for gigs to come. And a secret that I've heard many people tell me in the past is you have to take the gigs and get them fast. Soon as you get an email, right? Get your notifications on your phone, whatever. Get a ding. as soon as you see the email, accept it, because you're not the only one that's getting this offer. So the first ones that accept will get the offers, okay? So it's real easy to start. You just register on Test.io and easily add all your devices you can test on, okay? So you have a smart TV, a phone, a computer, whatever you have, it'll ask you what type of devices you have. You fill them out, and then they'll send you testing for all those devices, okay? Start your first test. As soon as you register, you'll receive an invitation for your first test, all right? So you'll receive your first payout. You get paid from the first test when you find bugs, all right? So you get paid via PayPal, which is cool. You can also get paid directly to your bank account, Payoneer. There's a couple different ones, Skrill. So there's a couple different ways to get paid. I think it's on here somewhere that I've seen. And we'll find out here in a second. So you get more invitations. The more invitations based on devices you have. So the more devices you can test on, the more invitations you'll get. And the more bugs you find, probably the more invitations you'll also get. All right. Your interest and your skills earn while you learn. All right. Become a testing king. Climb the ladder to test the hottest apps or participate in exclusive test runs with more opportunities. Right here, right? So the more things you test, the more opportunities you get and the more money you'll make. All right. Here's a couple of the people that test here. And look, here's an engineering student, an accountant, computer science grad, PC emergency freelancer. So all kinds of people are doing these tests. Why not be you? How much can I earn? You can earn up to $50 for most important bugs. All right. You can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps and completing scripted tests. How do I get paid? You get paid PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or bank transfer. What devices do I need to test? You would need at least your desktop computer, all right? You have many other opportunities to test with mobile phones, some of your home devices, wearables. So it could be a smartwatch, it could be your phone, it could be your TV. Guys, you got all kinds of devices laying around, all right? What happens if I can't accept an invitation? No problem, all right? There's no penalty for not accepting an invitation. It's helpful to let us know if you can't test so we can offer that in place to somebody else, all right? So please test if you say you're going to. It's good karma or better for your fellow testers, all right? So guys, run over there and get this. Become a tester, get a demo, get started, and make that money. Okay. While you're doing that, you sign up for this site. There's two other sites I'm going to talk about, which is testingtime.com. Go to this site and become a tester as well. All right. You just click become a tester. You can earn up to £50 per hour. This one is your testing stuff via Skype or on a site with the customer. Okay. So you're at home via Skype and you're testing that way. Okay. So this one's a little different, but you can make up to $50 or £50 per hour. All right. So that's like $60 per hour. So go check it out. Each study takes about 30 to 90 minutes. I think I've done a video on this site before if you want to go look for it, but this is a pretty legit site as well. It gets a lot of good reviews and it's easy to sign up, right? You just sign up. All right. Takes less than 3 minutes. Your profile will match purposes only. Accept the test job. You do the test and you get paid. All right. So that's how you get paid, guys. You get paid all through PayPal. Another site is called User Testing. Very similar. That's what I'm saying. Just go here, get paid to test with these guys. All right. So you just come over here, get paid to test. It'll ask you to sign up. You can earn up $60 per test here, all right? It takes 20 minutes to do a test. And you get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete, all right? So you could just do a test with a 20-minute video and get $10. That's $60 an hour, guys. You can do three videos an hour and get paid $60. So run over here, get signed up for these 3 sites. Don't waste no time. That way you can be at home, make money online, testing applications, software, all kinds of smart watches, whatever device you got, you can do some testing on it. All right, guys, hopefully this was a useful video. If you are interested in more, passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, go down in my description, click on this link, my #1 recommended full-time income online. Click that link and I'll send you over some information about that opportunity. All right, guys, peace out. Have a good day, and I will catch you on the next video.